500 million years ago, Earth's oceans stirred with something new. Microscopic life, once simple and silent, began to organize and specialize. The spark of complexity had been lit beneath the waves.
In just 20 million years, life diversified more rapidly than ever before.
This was the Cambrian explosion, the dawn of all modern animal lineages.
The oceans became a chaotic laboratory of evolutionary innovation.
Leading the charge were the trilobites, armored, adaptable, and everywhere. They walked with dozens of legs, guided by complex compound eyes. Some burrowed, some swam, others scuttled in search of food.
The trilobites' eyes were among the first of their kind.
With them, it could detect motion, light, and even depth.
Sight changed everything. It made survival a game of awareness.
And from the shadows came a giant, the first true apex predator. Anomalocaris hunted with deadly precision, powered by speed and vision. Its circular jaw could tear apart even the toughest trilobite armor. Predators forced prey to evolve or vanish. Natural selection shaped armor, senses, and behavior in rapid succession. It was survival of the fastest, smartest, and best hidden.
From the Cambrian seas came the roots of every complex animal alive today.
The trilobites vanished, but their legacy is written in stone. The Cambrian explosion was not the beginning of life, but the beginning of us.
Subscribe to explore more forgotten chapters of Earth's wildest history.